Hey there, gamers! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed decisions. Today, we've got something special for all you Nintendo DS Lite enthusiasts out there.
Introducing the eXtremeRate white replacement full housing shell for Nintendo DS Lite.
If you're tired of the same old look of your DS Lite, this might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. This kit comes complete with everything you need to give your DS Lite a fresh new look.
From the sleek white housing shell to the full set of buttons and screen lens, you'll have everything required for the transformation.
Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it difficult to install? Well, it does require some handy skills and a bit of patience. But fear not. eXtremeRate provides an installation video guide on YouTube to walk you through the process step by step. Made of premium ABS material, this housing shell is not only durable but also looks amazing in white.
Plus, with the included stylus pen and screwdriver tools, you'll have everything you need for a hassle-free installation. So, if you're ready to take your Nintendo DS Lite to the next level,
be sure to check out the eXtremeRate white replacement full housing shell. It's the perfect way to breathe new life into your beloved handheld console.
Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming!